How to change your Instagram's profile picture without changing your Facebook's. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how to easily change your Instagram's profile picture without having to change your Facebook's as well. As you guys know, after the recent update, Meta has brought out an update where all of your accounts are connected now. So if you head over to your settings and account center, here you will see all of your accounts are connected. Now as you can see, both my Instagram and Facebook has the same profile picture. Now if I want to change my profile picture of just my Instagram, then what I want to do is, first you would want to head over to your profile, and from here you have an option to edit profile. So just tap on it and it will ask you to create your avatar. You can do that later if you want, or you can create it as well. And after this you have an option to edit profile picture or avatar. Now you can remove this current profile picture, or you can import a new profile picture. I'm going to do that right now. So here is the picture that I want to import, so just tap on next, and from here you can choose different filters if you want. So I'm just going to choose this one right here. Make sure that it's centered, zoom in if you want, and once you are done setting it, you can just tap on next, and after this your new profile picture should be updated. So as you can see, a new profile picture has been set on my profile, and if I go and check my Facebook, it will not be changed. So as you can see, two different profile pictures are showing right here. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.